Couture. I'm so happy you are here. As you all can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be a cleaning video. I have a lot of organizing to do. I got new items that I'm going to be putting into my apartment. This is a new apartment. I recently did relocate. It's going to be a lot of organizing, cleaning, putting things together to get this place in shape. I really do hope this motivates you. Clean your house if you need to, of course. I'm not going to be talking much. I am going to come in and out and talk, but enjoy the music and watch me clean. Do not forget to comment what you guys think. I am new to YouTube. This will be my second upload. Let me know what you guys think. I really do hope you enjoy this kind of content. I love cleaning videos. I love it on TikTok. I love it on YouTube. I just love getting my place together, honestly. Cleaning just kind of makes me feel good. When you come home and your house is clean, it just gives you a sense of peace. I would have done an apartment tour, but I completely forgot to record the apartment before actually moving into it. So I don't have like an empty, at least not on my camera. I don't have a video to show you what it looks like, but you guys are going to be able to see what it looks like after I put it all together. Couple things I still need to get from the store. So this will be a process, probably a vlog that has been filmed over a couple weeks. We are actually going to start off in the kitchen. As much done there that I can. Onto the bathroom, well, probably the room first, just because it's quicker, and then the bathroom. I don't want too many things in the apartment. It'll start to feel like clutter for me. So I want it to be simple, but I want it to look like I did put some thought into it, but I do not want a lot of items and things in this apartment. It is an apartment, it's not a house. So, oh, someone just texted me, hold on, my little brother. But like I said, it is an apartment, not a house. One day I'll get a house. But for now, I just want it to be simple, and it'll be much easier to move because I will be moving again. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the music. Do not forget to comment below your thoughts. I just love reading comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content in the future.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. Make little bro hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 35, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise to God, the period. Oh, he in love. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I'm no wiping up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Gloss and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see his pop, I 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got stones in my right or left. And you drunk up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling, smoothly in a prison. Time is 50, flying, rich and mellow. But the game to his temple, the color spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can...
was.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs.